Everybody, welcome back to Devil Boats by Compass Games, designed by Joe Carter. Um, Working on the Schnellboats vessel mod right now for when it's released. Looking forward to that. And artwork in that is amazing too. This is about the PT boats in the Solomons, and we already have run one offensive patrol to Zone 5 but encountered nothing. So we're going to start the second day here. And we don't have anybody elite, so we don't check for that. We'll do a malaria check. A 14 is nothing. Weather check for the day is 5. That's going to be good weather. A nightly mission assignment. We roll a d10. We get 1 offensive patrol. Successful patrol, but nothing. So the patrol, again, was zone 5. And we'll put no encounters down for that one. That's again 0 points. And we'll click next day. All right. And I'm going to pause this quick. I got to make one modification to my program. All right. That brings on offensive mission number 3. That's the rule I just put into here. Joe's been modifying as he's designed other games in this series to help streamline things a little bit. And I kind of like that better because sometimes you can get bogged down on offensive missions where nothing happens, and that just took care of a mission in no time flat. Um, Scary because we've got 2 bull missions right away, and the first 5 missions are critical. But data G3, yeah, we got to do better than that because we can't go below 0 or we get lose command. So it'd be a very short mission. I mean, campaign if that happens. Nobody to check for promotion. We're going to go for malaria check. 10. Nobody. Weather check. We get a 3. That's again good weather. Nightly mission assignment. 6. Offensive patrol again, but no activity. And we're going to roll for a 5 again. We've been maybe it's time to get a different location. Next day, no, not aborted. PT2 ran, PT3 ran, PT4 ran, PT5 did not run. Okay, keeping track of everything in case you're wondering. I got a macro set up to advance my days and add in the missions. Actually, I really don't need that one to be filled in because we get that right here. All right, so that's what I'm doing off camera. So we are back on the fourth day. We check for malaria. 9, nothing. Weather check again. 4 is good. Nightly mission assignment. 5, again, an offensive patrol. Our grace period is fast running out here. At least we went to a different zone this time. We went to zone 6, but we got no encounters again. And we're still at 0 victory points. Next day, no one not aborted. Yes, PT2 ran, 3 ran, 4 ran, 5 did not. All right, 5th day. Malaria check. 12 is nothing. Weather check. 7 is going to be poor weather. Nightly mission assignment. Okay, glad I read that. This one's going to be a no mission rest anyway. So we will be actually next day. Yes, we'll call that aborted. And go to the 6th day, which would be um, July 6th, 43. We go back up and check malaria. 12, nothing. Weather check. 2, good. Nightly mission assignment. 2, again, offensive patrol with nothing going on. And we are through our grace period, so if we have one bad mission, we're sacked. All right. Uh, Getting some missions in, so at least we're getting the experience. Um, Day 7, malaria check, nothing. Weather check's good. Nightly mission, 4, again, nothing. We're after patrol zone 1. And we're still at 0. All right. And brings up day number 8. Malaria check 11, nothing. Weather check 1, good weather. Nightly assignment 7, we actually get it 1. Offensive patrol, good deal. We're going to go to A4 mission assignment. We're going to zone 4. PT boats assigned to the mission. That'll be all 4 of them, without the spare. IGN attacks on the base after we leave. 1 to 8 will be no attacks, so no attacks. Sea state in the zone. We're good weather. Going to be 2. Um, Random event, nothing. IGN Air Patrol contact, 7 will be nothing. And we go back up to 2. Start all over again. Sea state in the zone, 9. Get a little choppy out there. Random event, 34, nothing. IJN Air Patrol contact, 8513 is nothing. With good weather, we get a +1. Things things are going to start getting a little hairier now with the going into the yellow and red. Sea state in the zone 3 is a 0. That's going to stay at 3. Random event 06, barely missed the random event. IGN Air Patrol contact. This time it's good weather +1. We're no longer in green, so we're +1. We get a 14, 15, no contact, and we move on to zone 2. Sea state in the zone is 6, moves down to 2. Random event 25, nothing. IJN Air Patrol contact again +1. 12, 13, nothing. Move to zone 3. Sea state in the zone goes all the way down to 1. Random event 32, nothing. IGN Air Patrol contact +1 is 5-6, nothing. And we go now into our first turn in the offensive zone, looking for trouble. And the sea state in the zone is going to be 3, getting a little choppier again. Random event 29 is nothing. IGN Air Patrol contact. Now we are in red zones, we're going to add 3. That's a 9, 10, 11, 12. Nothing there. We go check for convoy contact. With 0. Oh, so we need a 9 or a 10. We get a 1. No enemy contact. We got to check for shore guns. 3. No shore guns. So we will go to turn 2 in the offensive patrol. The sea state 9 remains the same. Random event 8, nothing, or 62 rather, nothing. IGN Air Patrol +3 again. Uh-oh. Unmodified rule of 20, contact with enemy patrol aircraft occurs. A, go to table B1. We will set that up over here. We roll a D10. We have 3, which is going to be a Mitsubishi F1M. All right, they're going to be a D10 for 0. Oh shit, an elite crew. I don't like that. And the aircraft attack type, the attack will be 6 strafing, so that's not quite as bad. All right, still bad. I don't like anybody comes in elite. Defensive spotting, it's good weather. We have a F1M, so no modifier there. +4 for port boats. No eagle eye, and we are. I always am going fast, so. Or no, we're medium unless we spot them. Travel at medium, go fast if we spot them. So we got a +4. 1, 5. We do not spot them. So we now go to strafing attack because we're going to roll once for each boat. You're going to get a +2. This is not good. +2. So for boat 1, 6, 7, 8, that's a miss. Boat number 2, 9, 10, 11, that's a hit. Boat 2 to 4 hit, roll a d10 to determine type of damage. 2. He gets a superficial. All right. +2 for boat 3. Actually, it's more than that. +2, and he's green. +3. It's a 9. He's going to get hit. Again, roll a d10 for that damage. That's going to, again, be superficial. All kinds of the wrong logs up here for 3. And, it is going to be +1 only, I believe. Veteran, yes, +1 only for him. And he rolls a 2, so he gets out of there. All right. Star Shell drop, +1. 0. So we get the star shell, which means he's going to come around for another round. Um, go to B8. Good weather, -1. So far, we cannot get separated. Green possibly can, that's 0. So we'll roll for green to get separated. No, he does not. So he comes back around. We did spot him, so this time we get defensive fire. He can't come back around without getting spotted. So second time around, we get a chance. 4 shots, -2 for being elite. And actually, we can go up the fast this time. I'm just going to stay slow or medium. Um, -2. I don't think we have anything else in here. C states 3. So yes, we're looking for unmodified 10s. We're rolling 4 times. Nothing, 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 nothing. Boat 1's done. Boat 2, still the same. Nothing. Boat 3, nothing. And boat 4, he gets a -2 +1, I believe it is. Still the same. No zeros. No zeros. So the patrol, they come back firing. This time it's spotted. So we get a -1 on it. They are elite, so we're going to get a +2. So we're going to have a +1 total modification. So for us, 3-4 miss. Boat 2, 2-3 miss. Boat 3, he gets +2. 8-9-10, he gets hit. And again, boat 3 is going to be, that's going to hurt. Flooding damage, 1 point on boat 3. And boat 4, he gets a 0 modification. 3, he misses him. Is no star shell. Forget how many star shells they can drop. We'll see if he drops another one. Don't think it says anywhere. 2, no star shell, so he disappears. And we will go ahead and check for separation. Again, that's going to be -1 for good weather. So the only one that really needs to check is him for a 10. And he's fine. He stays with us. All right. So we made it through that. Didn't shoot anything down though. Going to make it a little bit harder. I mean, a little bit easier to. No, a little bit harder to get enemy contact. So we get a -1 this time. We need a 9 or a 10. So we do not get a contact again. Enemy shore guns. Oh, we do get contact with enemy guns. So we go to B, C, go to C1. I'm going to, we really want contact. So we're going to go ahead and go to C1. IGN, gun type, and crew skill levels. So let's get in here and get these things together. We're on special missions. All 4 boats. Alright, we're going to roll 1d10 for the number of machine guns. 2, that's going to be 0 machine guns. 1d10 for the number of shore guns. That's going to be 1. 0 shore guns. How often are you going to do that? That was a false alarm. Alright, so we got nothing. We don't have to worry about that. Nobody's separated. We go back to the sea state and the zone for our 3rd offensive patrol. Going to check for our sea state, which is going to remain at 3. Oh, yeah. Good weather 2s goes down to 2. Random events 90. Yes, 90. No problems. IGN Air Patrol contact 7, 8. Oh, no, not 7. That's going to be a 10. Not even 10. Come on, Greg, get your shit together. 1. So no, we don't get any. I'm letting myself get confused here very easily today. No contact with them. We check for a convoy. We have a sea state of 2, so we're going to add 1. 6, 7. No contact. Shore guns. Need a 9 or a 10. We got a 10 again. Let's see if we get them this time. We're itching for a fight, so we're going to see if we can get them. 1d10 for the amount of machine guns. 0. That's going to be 4 MGs. Go ahead and pull all 4 of them down into here. Get 4 MGs out here right now. And then we're going to roll for 1. That's a 0 shore gun. So this one we definitely want to do. We're going to roll for their skill levels. First one going to be average. Number 2, green. I like green. Number 3, average, and number 4, green. I like it. We can definitely take that. We start at long range because it's good weather. And we go to fast. I can go ahead and move into the medium range and fast. Go to table C2C. Order of attack. Oh yeah, we draw counters. Oh, we don't draw during the first rounds. That gets to be them. MG2. He's going after 4. And he will be firing 1 time. He is green. -1 for fast. Excuse me. -1 for being green. +1 for sea state 2. That's still -1. Excuse me. -1. So he basically needs a 10 and misses. MG3. He's going to be the -1, but he's not green, so that's going to be 0. So he needs a 10 and misses. MG4, -1. 6, he misses. And MG1, 9, he will miss. All right. Second round. Well, no, not yet. Since regress enemy support, we roll a 3. There'll be no enemy aircraft. Nobody's in close range. Going to end the combat. We're going to stay in there at medium range. I think with machine guns, I'm going to cut my speed back to medium. Oh, actually, they shouldn't have been fast last combat round. I screwed that one up, but we'll stay medium this time to make up for it. First to fire will be MG3. He's going to fire on boat number 2. I forgot to do that last time. I got lazy. They change their fire all the time. And they are basically, I think, still looking for a 10. Going to double check it though, just to make sure. Sea stated 2 is +1. So they do get 9 or a 10, they get a hit. And he gets a 6, that's nothing. Next one's going to be MG4. He's going to target 3. So he's a -1 for the speed, and it's a green crew plus -1, also green PT +1. So he's going to stay at that +1, 9 or 10. Well, he gets a 10, so he hits boat 3. Roll 1d10. 9. Flooding damage 1 point. That hurts. He already got some flooding damage. He's still good, but that hurts. Next to fire, PT number 2. He's going to fire on 4. +1. That's it, just +1. So 9 or a 10. He gets, oh, actually, we're fine 4 times. So 9 is a hit. 3 is a miss, of course. 9 again is a hit. 4 is a hit. Do not count towards cruise skill, yeah. And 1 hit is all that they get, I think. Should have filled all this out. MGs, yeah. 1 hit, so 4 is out. Get rid of him. That brings up MG1. He's going to go after boat 3 again. Everybody's picking on boat 3. He is +1 for being green. +1 for sea state, that's +2. 5-6 is going to miss. PT4 is going to fire. Now we'll go to Um, yeah, we're going to go with the 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 is going to be 3. Firing 4 times, and he's a veteran. +1 for the C state. +1 for veteran. It gets +2. 4 and a 5 both miss. 3 and an 8. 8 hits. That's another hit. So 3's gone. Okay, I read that wrong when I first saw it. So 3 hits. I'm like, what? Um, that will bring up the next draw. MG2. Can't hit them before they fire, though, can we? He's going after us. He is -1 for being green. +1 for the C state. That is 0. He needs a 10. He misses. PT1. Actually, I'm going to fire at 1. Try and get rid of him. We are C state of 2 +1. So 9 or a 10. First 2 shots miss. Second shot hits. Misses on that roll, though. That's the way it usually goes. PT3 is going to fire at, we'll go odds or evens. The odds it is, he's going to target 1. He's green. So we get the C state of 2 +1, green -1. And that's going to be it. So he needs straight up 10. 4 shots, 2 9s, 2 and a 6, all miss. Sure gun assistance, 4, nothing there. We're not going to go into close range. We're going to stay in and fight this out. Return all these to the random. I'm going to stay in medium zone. I'm going to stay at medium speed. MG1, he will target boat number 4 this time. That's poor for him because he's firing on a veteran boat, and he is not. So veteran PT is a -1, and a C state of 2 is +1, so he needs a 0 to hit. 9 doesn't hit. Next to fire is MG2. He's a -1. He's firing on boat 2. And he needs his -1 +1, so he's a 0 also. No, does not hit. PT2 is going to fire. He's going to go after odds, be number 1. And +1 only. So 4 shots for 9. 5 and a 1. 5 and a 9. We get 1 possible hit. That's 5. He's done. Delete him. And that just leaves the greenie left. And we got 3 boats to fire at him. So 12 shots for like, he's green. +1. Just at +1. So 12 shots for 9, basically. All firing on him. PT1 firing. 2 and an 8 miss. 7 and a 7 miss. PT3, actually, I got myself screwed up there. Yeah, PT3, PT4, he disappears. Not random draw. Come on, Greg. Get it together. There we go. PT3 is -1 for being green, +1, so he needs 0. And does not get it. PT4 is the final one. +1 for the C state, +1 for veteran, so he needs an 8. 2 shots for 8. 4 shots for 8. 4 and a 6, 6 and a 2. Yeah, we miss them all. Nice. All right, coming back around for another draw. PT2 is going to fire. He's going after him again. That's going to be a +1, so he needs 9 or 10. Gets the 9, but a 2, that's a miss. Next up is PT4. He needs an 8, 9, or 10, 4 shots. Gets an 8, but a 3, that's a miss. PT1's going to fire. We need a 9 or a 10. And we actually jam one gun, which is our third gun. 1, 2, 3. AA2 is going to be jammed. Let's get a marker up there for that. And we did get one possible hit. That's another miss. Lordy, lordy. And PT3 is going to fire. He needs zeros and does not get anything, which brings the machine gun firing on boat number 4. And C state of 2 is +1. They're green -1. Against a veteran is plus is another -1, so he needs is straight up 0. Oops. And we rolled a 0. Should have stuck with the doubles I rolled. We roll again. 1. That's going to be a superficial on 4. Put all these back in, and we better start shooting better because we're asking for trouble letting him hang around. But we will return to base after this, though, because at least we've gotten some points. First to fire will be PT3. He needs 0. And we actually got a 0. Oh, and he takes him out. Nice. So last one's out, and we're gonna go ahead and head back to the base then. Oh shit! You know what? I forgot to check assistance request for that last turn, and then one for this turn. Nope. And we're going to get the hell out of here. Go back to the main tables. We could stick around for another round yet. I don't know if I want to do that though. My jammed gun is fixed after that combat, by the way. Let's stick around one more round. We're out here. Let's do it. That scares me a little bit. C State 6 in good weather. It was 2. Random event 18 nothing. IGN Air Patrol contact 8 nothing. Convoy contact 5 nothing. Shore gun and MG contact 3 nothing. Now we'll get out of here. C State in the zone 3 goes down to 1. Random event 6 nothing. IGN Air Patrol 8, nothing. No more convoy contacts as we're flying home. Flying maybe. Well, we're at medium speed. Um, Sea state in the zone here. It's going to be back up to 2. Random event, nothing. IGN Air Patrol. Oops. 10, a bad habit. It used to be a single die. Go to 1. Sea state in the zone. 5, it's 2. Random event is 14, nothing. Not 1495. Air Patrol contact. 2 dice, Greg. 1314 is nothing. Go into 2, gets a little safer now. Sea state is 3. Random event is 84, nothing. IJN Air Patrol contact is 7, 8. 7, yeah, 8. Back down to 7, nothing. Go to 1. Sea state in the zone, 7. Goes down to 2. Random event, 61, nothing. IGN Air Patrol contact, 5, nothing. And we are home. So we've successfully gotten a mission. Victory points for machine gun nests. We got 20 points for this. So I'm going to put 4 times MGs down. And that's going to be 20 points. And that's not a bad start. Aborted mission, no. Yes, 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 and oops. All right, that'll be it. Right now, I'm going to stop right there. We got at least one mission in that we accomplished something on, and we will continue this at another time. That's Dog Boats by Compass Games, designed by Joe Carter, and we'll see you next time.